In today's video, I'll be talking about the importance of the investment income line to insurance companies today. My name is Pius Moshire Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. So today there are 52 insurance companies in Kenya, and together they made 52 billion shillings in 2017. And the top three insurance companies in terms of investment income were Jubilee at 7 billion shillings, Britam at 6 billion shillings, and thirdly, UAP at 3 billion shillings. It is general knowledge that insurance companies tend to make underwriting losses, and therefore it is no wonder why Jubilee was the most profitable insurance company in 2017. And if you look at also the top 5 most profitable insurance companies, then it is exactly the same insurance companies were in terms of investment income. And the lesson we learn here is that investment income is now a key differentiator for any insurance company looking to win market share. There's an obvious high correlation between a strong, stable investment income line and the bottom line that an insurance company makes. And if you look at the top 5 insurance companies that had the top investment income lines, then it is quite evident. And for example, if you look at Jubilee, Jubilee has had the services of Jubilee Financial Services. Britam has had the services of Britam British American Asset Managers. UAP Old Mutual has had the services of Old Mutual Asset Managers. CIC has had the services of CIC Asset Managers. ICEA has had the services of ICA Asset Managers. So my advice going forward, given that this is a key differentiator, insurance companies should continue strengthening their investment functions, and especially the large insurance companies which are able to afford investment experts in-house. For the small to medium-sized insurance companies, then my advice to them is that they should seek the services of fund managers by outsourcing that particular function, and that would be able to bring them to the level with other bigger players in the industry and be able to compete on a level playing field. Some of the benefits that the small to medium-sized insurance companies will benefit by outsourcing this particular function is, first and foremost, they'll be able to share in the huge overhead cost that comes with having a team of investment experts. Number 2, they'll be able to benefit almost immediately from the track record of an expertise of these fund managers. They would also be able to strengthen their products by being able to link their products and the assets that the investment manager is building up, and therefore they will be able to offer much more competitive products in the market. So my advice to all the captains in the insurance industry: continue strengthening your investment arms or investment function. It is going to be critical for your survival. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful in shedding light on the importance of investment income line in the insurance industry. If you want to engage us, please feel free to write to us on the email address that is on the screen, or engage us on the social media platform that is also on the screen, or even come to our offices, and we'll be more than happy to engage you and answer any questions that you might have. My name is Pius Moshire Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.